Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Nissan Maxima 350 Ti, stock reference number 5573. The shape runs from the 6th month 2009 through to the 9th month 2014. It has a VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. V635, VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the left hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left hand side skirt, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, boot lid has no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has no damage, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror, and the right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heating controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.